Henry helps with laundry. Everybody in Henry's family wears clothes. Mom likes to wear boots and skirts, and Dad likes to wear pants and sweaters. Penny likes to wear pajamas, and Henry likes to wear green shorts and his octopus t-shirt. Sometimes clothes get dirty. Then it's time to do laundry. It's laundry day, Mom tells Henry. Will you help me? Yes, Henry says. Henry's a good helper. While Mom turns on the washing machine, Henry sorts the clothes. He puts the white clothes in one pile. He puts the dark clothes in another pile. Mom pours in the soap. Henry puts the clothes in. Kitty. After Mom closes the lid, Henry sees Penny's pajamas on the floor. Wait, Mom, he yells. Don't forget to wash this. When the clothes are clean, Henry and Mom put them in the dryer. Finally, the clothes are dry. Mom folds the clothes. Henry carefully puts them into piles. Dad's clothes go in Dad's dresser. Mom's clothes go on Mom's shelves. Penny's clothes go in Penny's room. Henry puts his clothes in his room. What a good helper. Until next time, bye.